No more squatting, no more porta potties, no more sweaty pull downs and pull ups when having to squat in the woods. There's a new option, ladies. GOthrough, the first wearable female urination device. GOthrough is a soft, flexible silicone liner that straps to companion underwear so that you can pee through your undergarments into a container without undressing while standing. It's easy to use with shorts, skirts, and all you need is a thigh fly like this to access the drain while wearing the pants. Visit GOthroughWear.com to get our Thighfly pants, or just add a short zipper to your own pants. My tailor charged me only $20 to alter these. It can also work with loose pants that have stretchy waistbands, where you can just reach down to get the container in place.
Connect GOthrough to an extension tube for more options. Just run the tube under your pants and lift your leg to the side a bit to go on the ground when you're hiking. If you're on the pavement, just place the tube in a container to pee on the go.
Discreet relief has never been so easy, so check out GOthroughWear.com. No more pull up, you just pull over.